How to answer assessment questions from Cankado web. Visit our website cankado.com. Please log in with your registered credentials. Assessments assigned by your physician will appear under the Assessment section. Also, the assessment needed to be answered will appear in the Diary section. You can directly answer the assessment from the diary by clicking the assessment. Or you can answer the assessment by click on Assessments. Click the assessment you need to answer. Answer the questions in the assessment by selecting an answer option. Click on Finish after completing answering your assessment. You have successfully completed answering your assigned assessment. You can view your completed assessment in the Diary section. You can also edit the answered assessment by clicking the assessment. If you need to further edit the assessment, click on Yes and Edit.